Real estate rock stars, welcome back to Coffee with CMG, where we share practical tips to help you level up your real estate business. If this is your first time watching, my name is Corey Maurice Gilmore, and today we're diving into hosting a successful open house. One that's not just well prepped, but an open house that's packed with potential buyers. So today we're going to discuss how to generate traffic and turn visitors into clients. Let's dive in. Number one, generating buzz and traffic before the open house. An open house is only successful as the traffic it attracts. The goal is to get the right buyers through the door, and here's how. You need to leverage social media. I want you to create an eye-catching post or short video promoting the open house. You can also create an event on Facebook and invite your entire friends list and share the event on Instagram, Facebook, and community groups on Facebook. Running target ads is another way to attract tons of buyers. Small budget for a Facebook or Instagram ad can really maximize your exposure. Now, when setting up those ads, be sure to target local zip codes and demographics that match potential buyers. And lastly, you should reach out to your database about the open house. You can email, text your past clients and current leads to let them know about the open house. Be sure to include a flyer or video teaser to grab their attention. Now on to the next thing, number two, create an unforgettable open house experience. Now once you've got people walking through the door, it's time to wow them. Buyers decide within seconds if they can see themselves in a home. So every detail matters. So be sure to set the mood by playing soft background music, lighting scented candles, and ensure the home is well lit. Focus on creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. When visitors arrive, you want to tactfully engage them. Greet them warmly and offer a property flyer. You can also share a few key features up front, like this kitchen was renovated in 2023, or the backyard is perfect for entertaining. And also be sure to showcase the neighborhood by providing information about nearby schools, parks, and shops. Number three, follow up to turn visitors into clients. Generating traffic is great, but converting that traffic into clients, that is the goal. Following up with visitors is critical, so it's important to capture their contact info. Now you can use a digital sign-in tool or a physical sheet to collect names, emails, and phone numbers. And one thing you can do to entice visitors to sign in, you can offer a raffle or a giveaway, like a $20 coffee shop gift card, just to encourage them to participate. Now, it's just not enough to collect visitors' information. You gotta follow up. I'm gonna challenge you. Within 24 hours of the open house, I want you to send personalized thank you emails with additional details about the home and yourself. Include a link to a video tour or your next open house. And also, be sure to pick up that phone and call. All right, if a visitor isn't ready to buy now, don't let them slip away. Add them to your database, send them regular updates on similar properties. Remember, a winning open house starts long before the event and continues well after the last visitor leaves. It's about generating buzz, creating a crazy exceptional experience, and following up like a pro. Now, your mission this week is to use these strategies to promote and host your next open house. Let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video with another agent looking to up their open house game. Until next time, keep your coffee strong and your open houses buzzing. See you next week.